BullX is a trading platform that offers users the opportunity to profit from financial markets through cryptocurrency trading, stocks, and other assets. Here's how you can make money on BullX. Trading cryptocurrencies. Buy low, sell high. You can trade various cryptocurrencies by buying at a lower price and selling at a higher price to make a profit. Leverage trading. BullX offers leverage trading, which means you can borrow capital to increase the size of your trades. This allows you to amplify potential profits, but it also increases the risk. Investing in stocks and other assets. Stock trading. BullX also provides access to stock markets. You can buy and sell shares of companies, aiming to profit from price fluctuations. Diversified investment. BullX may offer other types of investment products, allowing you to diversify your portfolio and increase your chances of earning profits. Margin trading. Use margin. Margin trading allows you to borrow funds to open larger positions. Profits are magnified, but losses can also be significant, so it's important to trade carefully. Referral program. Invite friends. Many platforms, including BullX, offer a referral program where you earn commissions for referring new users to the platform.